Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning on this first day of the trading month, but the final day of the trading week, Friday, November 1st. I'm Julie Morgan. Will the third time be a charm for Boeing? Aurora plummets on news of a delay, and two major names are cleared in one of many baby formula trials. Boeing has come to a deal with leaders of its machinists union. The company offered a 38% wage increase over 4 years in its latest proposal, up from last week's offer of 35% and an original offer of 25%. Both were overwhelmingly rejected. The latest offer does not bring back pensions, a key demand of many members. Instead, Boeing would increase company 401k contributions. The company would also keep paying yearly bonuses, which had been eliminated as part of the initial offer. A $12,000 ratification bonus is also included. The company and its biggest labor union, the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, announced the deal on Thursday. The union plans to vote on the deal Monday. The strike has cost the company an estimated $1 billion a month, pushing management this week to raise more than $20 billion in a sale of new shares. The strike began on Friday, September 13th. Shares of Aurora fell 21% on Thursday after disclosing a 4-month delay in the commercial launch of its self-driving truck. In explaining the reason for the delay, the CEO said during the company's earnings call that additional safety measures need to be completed before he feels comfortable launching the vehicle. The company plans to launch the Aurora Drive with a crawl, walk, run approach by deploying up to 10 driverless trucks in commercial operations during the launch, beginning with just one driverless truck before transitioning the balance to all driverless. In the second half of 2025, Aurora's focus will be expanding product capabilities, adding new lanes, and increasing capacity to tens of trucks by the end of the year. The company expects to earn a profit by 2026. Abbott Laboratories is up 5% in pre-market action after a jury found the company and a Reckitt unit are not liable over claims the company's baby formula caused a potentially deadly illness. The latest jury verdict comes after a jury in St. Louis in late July awarded a plaintiff $495 million in compensatory and punitive damages over claims the company's baby formula caused a potentially deadly bowel disease. Abbott Labs and competitor Reckitt's Mead Johnson business are facing more than 1,000 lawsuits that allege that the companies failed to warn parents about the NEC dangers with cow's milk-based products. I have a few other articles that I'd like to share with you that you can find on Seeking Alpha. Sony takes CBS to court for breaching Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune distribution contracts. Carvana shares defy gravity, but is the stock's valuation justified? And we have the S&P 500 October winners and losers, United soars, Corvo craters. On our catalyst to watch for the day, Chinese electric vehicle makers NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng will update on monthly deliveries. Investors will also monitor the monthly Macau gross gaming revenue report. Kellanova shareholders will vote on the acquisition offer from Mars. The 3-day Gen AI Summit Silicon Valley 2024 will begin. Microsoft and Amazon are two of the notable companies that will participate. And construction services provider Everus will begin trading after being spun off from MDU Resources. For 2024, Everus expects revenue to be in the range of $2.65 to $2.85 billion and EBITDA to be in the range of $220 million to $240 million. Now for a look at the markets today as of 6 a.m. Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ futures are in the green. Crude oil is up 2.7% at $71 a barrel. Bitcoin is down 3.8% at $69,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is up 0.5% and the DAX is up 0.4%. And the market in India is closed today for a holiday. BJ's Restaurants is on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. BJRI is down nearly 6% as higher operating costs, including increased wages and benefits, led the company to a Q3 loss after posting a profit in the prior quarter. On today's economic calendar, at 8:30 a.m., the October jobs report will be released. Economists forecast 120,000 jobs were added during the month, and for the unemployment rate to hold steady at 4.1%. And at 10 a.m., construction spending. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. To take full advantage of Seeking Alpha with coverage on significant stocks and ETFs, become a premium subscriber. Check out seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.